Brain fog. 11 natural cures for brain fog. Good day, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. It's great to meet again. In this video, we'll talk about 11 natural cures for brain fog. But first, subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Brain fog anxiety begins when a person feels anxious and/or also has difficulty concentrating or thinking clearly. Many conditions may cause brain fog, including mental health diagnoses and physical illnesses. It is normal to experience occasional brain fog, especially during times of high stress. However, people who find that brain fog regularly interferes with their everyday activities should seek medical attention. Keep watching this video to learn more about brain fog, why it occurs alongside anxiety, and some other potential causes. What is brain fog? Well, let's start by trying to understand brain fog. Brain fog is not a medical or scientific term. It is used by individuals to describe how they feel when their thinking is sluggish, fuzzy, and not sharp. We all experience this feeling from time to time. Perhaps you couldn't think clearly when you were sick with the flu or another illness. Maybe you were jet-lagged and your thinking was sluggish because it felt like it was 2 a.m. Or perhaps you took an antihistamine or another medication that made your thinking fuzzy for a few hours. In each case, you probably just waited to get back to normal, whether that meant recovering from your illness, adjusting to the new time zone, or waiting for the side effects of the medication to wear off. But what if your thinking didn't return to normal? Brain fog isn't a medical condition itself, but rather a symptom of other medical conditions. It's a type of cognitive dysfunction involving memory problems, lack of mental clarity, poor concentration, and inability to focus. Some people also describe it as mental fatigue. Depending on the severity of brain fog, it can interfere with work or school, but it doesn't have to be a permanent fixture in your life. What are the causes of brain fog? Well, there are numerous explanations for why brain fog occurs. Once you identify the underlying cause, you can begin fixing the problem. Here are 6 possible causes. 1. Stress. Chronic stress can increase blood pressure, weaken the immune system, and trigger depression. It can also cause mental fatigue. When your brain is exhausted, it becomes harder to think, reason, and focus. 2. Lack of sleep. Poor sleep quality can also interfere with how well your brain functions. Aim for 8 to 9 hours of sleep per night. Sleeping too little can lead to poor concentration and cloudy thoughts. 3. Hormonal changes. Hormonal changes can also trigger brain fog. Levels of the hormones progesterone and estrogen increase during pregnancy. This change can affect memory and cause short-term cognitive impairment. Similarly, a drop in estrogen level during menopause can cause forgetfulness, poor concentration, and cloudy thinking. 4. Diet. Diet can also play a role in brain fog. Vitamin B12 supports healthy brain function, and vitamin B12 deficiency can bring about brain fog. If you have food allergies or sensitivities, brain fog may develop after eating certain foods. Possible culprits include MSG, aspartame, peanuts, dairy. Removing trigger foods from your diet may improve symptoms. 5. Medications. If you notice brain fog while taking medications, talk with your doctor. Brain fog may be a known side effect of the drug. Lowering your dosage or switching to another drug may improve your symptoms. Brain fog can also occur after cancer treatments. This is referred to as chemobrain. 6. Medical conditions. Medical conditions associated with inflammation, fatigue, or changes in blood glucose level can also cause mental fatigue. For example, brain fog is a symptom of chronic fatigue syndrome, which involves persistent fatigue for longer than 6 months. People who have fibromyalgia may experience similar fogginess on a daily basis. Other conditions that may cause brain fog include anemia, depression, diabetes, Sjogren's syndrome, migraines, Alzheimer's disease, hypothyroidism, autoimmune diseases such as lupus, arthritis, and multiple sclerosis, dehydration. How do you treat brain fog? Brain fog treatment depends on the cause. For example, if you're anemic, Iron supplements may increase your production of red blood cells and reduce your brain fog. If you're diagnosed with an autoimmune disease, your doctor may recommend a corticosteroid or other medication to reduce inflammation or suppress the immune system. Sometimes, relieving brain fog is a matter of correcting a nutritional deficiency, switching medications, or improving the quality of your sleep. Home remedies to improve brain fog include sleeping 8 to 9 hours per night, managing stress by knowing your limitations and avoiding excessive alcohol and caffeine, exercising, strengthening your brain power. Try volunteering or solving brain puzzles, finding enjoyable activities, increasing your intake of protein, fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats. What might help clear the brain fog? To help clear the brain fog, I recommend pursuing all of the activities that we know help everyone's thinking and memory. Perform aerobic exercise. You may need to start slow, perhaps just 2 to 3 minutes a few times a day. While there is no established dose of exercise to improve brain health, it's generally recommended you work towards 30 minutes a day, 5 days a week. Eat Mediterranean-style meals. A healthy diet, including olive oil, fruits and vegetables, nuts and beans, and whole grains, has been proven to improve thinking, memory, and brain health. Avoid alcohol and drugs. Give your brain the best chance to heal by avoiding substances which can adversely affect it. Sleep well. Sleep is a time when the brain and body can clear out toxins and work towards healing. Make sure you give your body the sleep it needs. Participate in social activities. We are social animals. Not only do social activities benefit our moods, but they help our thinking and memory as well. Pursue other beneficial activities, including engaging in novel, cognitively stimulating activities, listening to music, practicing mindfulness, and keeping a positive mental attitude. Natural cures to help stop brain fog. 1. Fish oil contains long-chain omega-3 fatty acids, DHA. The source is salmon, tuna, mackerel, and sardines. It can improve brain function, motor skills, and vision. 2. Ginkgo biloba extract. Widely studied for its effective anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, platelet-forming, and circulation-boosting effects, ginkgo biloba benefits include improved cognitive function, positive mood, increased energy, improved memory, and reduced symptoms related to multiple chronic diseases. It can also reduce the risk of Alzheimer's disease. 3. Choline bitartrate. Choline is chemically related to the B group of vitamins. Choline is important for cell membranes and the production of the neurotransmitter acetylcholine, which has a role in memory and muscle control. 4. Gamma-oryzanol have been shown to raise the levels of neurotransmitters in the central nervous system. It also promotes mood relaxation and restful sleep. 5. L-theanine promotes relaxation and facilitates sleep by increasing levels of serotonin, dopamine, and GABA. L-theanine is known as an anxiolytic. It works to reduce anxiety. 6. Phosphatidylserine is an important chemical with widespread functions in the body. It is part of the cell structure and is key in the maintenance of cellular function, especially in the brain. Taking phosphatidylserine can improve some of the symptoms of Alzheimer's disease and dementia. Also, it helps improve thinking ability, attention, impulse control, and hyperactivity in children and teens with attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, or ADHD. 7. Inositol is once considered a member of the vitamin B complex. It has a role in the nervous system and fat metabolism. It helps in production of healthy cells in the bone marrow and cell membrane production, myelin sheath. Also, it is important for hair growth. 8. Ginseng extract. Ginseng effectively regulates the immune response and the hormonal changes due to stress, thus maintaining homeostasis. In addition to suppressing the occurrence of psychological diseases such as anxiety and depression, ginseng also prevents stress-associated physiological diseases. Number 9. Soy lecithin, composed of phosphatidylcholine. It improves memory and learning ability It also helps reduce the risk of gallstones and improves liver function. Research shows that it helps improve brain function and can prevent dementia. 10. L-carnitine and L-tartrate has an important role in acetylcholine production. It helps improve brain function and dementia. This amino acid can pass through the blood-brain barrier, BBB, and regulate neurotransmitter levels in the brain. 11. Vitamin C, calcium ascorbate, plays an important role in the body. It is needed to maintain the health of skin, cartilage, teeth, bone, and blood vessels. It is also used to protect your body's cells from damage. It is known as an antioxidant. Also, it helps regulate body temperature and hormonal production. Bottom line, both brain fog and anxiety can severely disrupt a person's daily life. Brain fog may make completing simple tasks more difficult. This may lead to worsening anxiety due to missed deadlines and conflict with work or loved ones. Every brain changes with age, and mental function changes along with it. Mental decline is common, and it's one of the most feared consequences of aging. There are ways you can help to maintain brain function: reducing the use of smartphones, tablets, and computers, getting enough rest, eating healthy food, and taking essential supplements prepared by a team of experts. These can help improve memory, reduce stress, and maintain emotional balance. The right treatment can help with both anxiety itself and the brain fog it causes. A doctor may also be able to recommend self-care strategies. People who are concerned about their anxiety or brain fog should not delay seeking help, especially if the symptoms are severe. Well, that's it, guys. We have come to the end of this video. Which of the brain fog cures do you find helpful the most? And which of them would you consider trying out to treat brain fog naturally if you ever experience it anytime? Let us know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you drop a like and subscribe. Oh, and turn on post notifications. Now, if you excuse me, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.